Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn superposition principle. The basic concept applied in superposition principle is the concept of Coulombs law. Students, you all know the concept of Coulombs law, isn't it? I will just recollect for you. In Coulombs law, we consider two stationary point charges. The charges can be either like charges or unlike charges. The electrostatic force of attraction or repulsion is determined, and the vector representation of electrostatic force on charge Q2 due to charge Q1 is given by F21 vector is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R12 square R12 unit. You all know this, clearly know. Okay. Now, in superposition principle, we consider a system of charges. That is, there are n number of charges. Let the charges be Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on up to Qn. Now, we have to find the force exerted on a particular charge Q1 due to Q2, Q3 and so on up to Qn. To find the force exerted on charge Q1 due to all other charges, the superposition principle is introduced. That is, superposition principle explains the interaction between multiple charges. That means in the multiple charge system, many Coulomb forces will be acting. The superposition principle states that when a number of charges are interacting, the total electrostatic force on a given charge is the vector sum of the individual forces exerted on it due to all other charges. I will repeat. When a number of charges are interacting, the total electrostatic force on a given charge is the vector sum of the individual forces exerted on it due to all other charges. And the force exerted between two charges is not affected by the presence of other charges. Students, now we are going to find individual forces acting on Q1 due to Q2, Q3 and so on up to Qn using the Coulomb's concept. The force exerted on charge Q1 due to Q2 is given by F12 vector is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R21 square R21 unit. The unit vector represents the direction from Q2 to Q1. The force exerted on charge Q1 due to Q3 is given by F13 vector is equal to KQ1 Q3 by R31 square into R31 unit, and this goes on up to the nth charge. F1n vector is equal to KQ1 Qn by Rn1 square into Rn1 unit. Now, the total force acting on charge Q1 due to all other charges is given by F1 total vector is equal to F12 vector plus F13 vector plus and so on up to F1n vector, and is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R21 square into R21 unit plus K Q1 Q3 by R31 square into R31 unit plus and so on up to K Q1 Qn by Rn1 square into Rn1 unit. Now we take K as common. We get K into, K is taken as common. So K into Q1 Q2 by R21 square R21 unit plus Q1 Q3 by R31 square R31 unit plus and so on up to Q1 Qn by Rn1 square into Rn1 unit. That is, the resultant is the vector sum of the individual forces. The resultant force which we get is the vector sum of the individual forces. Here, throughout the expressions, we have to put the vector sign and the unit vector sign wherever it is needed. Okay. Okay, students, I believe that you all understood superposition principle. Now it's your task time. After listening, you take your note and recollect the points. It will be very useful for your studies. Thank you.